To teach leg weaving, just use foot to make your dog go round your legs. Twin, 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 twin. Good dog! If your dog has done targeting, you can use a target stick, and this will mean that you do not have to bend down. Twin, 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 twin. Good dog! Good dog!